Ano po tayo, sir? Shoulder press. So, same weight mula dun sa upright row natin, or we could go a little lighter. So, range natin is 10 to 25 pounds per dumbbell. So, yung gusto natin dito is yung paa natin flat sa floor. Tapos, slight nakataas ng konti yung upuan. And then, yung backrest natin is naka-lean back ng pinaka-konti lang. Konti. Okay? So, exhale up, inhale down. Target natin is yung elbow and shoulders, same height or bababa lang ng konti. Okay? Konti, this is your lowest range. Hindi siya bababa dito. Dito lang. Para i-keep natin yung tension sa anterior shoulders natin. Tapos, press all the way up. Parang yung sa warm-up natin na pa letter A. Okay? Ganyan yung motion pag press natin. Exhale up. Inhale down. Okay? Tapos, one more thing. One more thing po. Yan. Side na lang ako. Hindi siya level. Slightly forward. Slightly press front yung elbow natin. Up and down. Mga 30 degrees from the derecho. Exhale up, inhale down. So, pakita natin with dumbbells. Again, 12 repetitions, 4 sets. So, patong muna natin sa may thigh, sa may taas ng knee. Tapos, kung mabigat na, sir, kung nahirapan tayo. Pero kung kaya namang idiretso na ganun, better. So, imagine, mabigat siya. Up, pitik. Then, press. Dito tayo magsaset. Upper back. Tapos, abs. Then, yung head, i-press sa puan. Lift your chest, shoulders back. Tapos, inhale down. Slightly forward, ha? Exhale up. Slow, slow, slow. Control. Then, exhale. Press. Inhale. Again. Inhale, inhale, inhale. All the way up. Slight bend. Forward na konti. Press. So, we're gonna be doing 12 shoulder press. Seated shoulder press. Okay po. So, focus niya is yung triceps na konti, tapos anterior. And then the middle deltoids. So, yung pangharap natin ng shoulders pa. Okay po. So, again, 12 reps, 4 sets.